Tarasana increase your height, the vertebral column and the heart are strengthened. The chest expands and the lungs become flexible. It strengthens the arms and legs. It helps to remove lethargy and stimulates the entire nervous system of the body. The stomach feels light and obesity is cured. Tarasana increase your height, the vertebral column and the heart are strengthened. The chest expands and the lungs become flexible. It strengthens the arms and legs. It helps to remove lethargy and stimulates the entire nervous system of the body. The stomach feels light and obesity is cured. Trijok Tarasana. Performing this exercise will help those who are suffering from back pain, stiffness, etc. It helps to promote the function of liver and helps to cure liver problems. Stimulates strengthening on both sides will help to eliminate extra fat in the abdomen region and also provides good shape to the body. Extending hands expands the chest and the lungs become flexible. Trijok Tarasana. Performing this exercise will help those who are suffering from back pain, stiffness, etc. It helps to promote the function of liver, helps to cure liver problems, stimulates strengthening on both sides will helps to eliminate extra fat in the abdomen region and also provide good shape of the body. Extending hands expands the chest and the lungs become flexible. Padahastasana. It removes constipation, indigestion, sciatica accumulation of excess fat, and it removes the defects of thickenings. It tones up the general system since circulation of blood from top to toe take place during its practice. It has a curative effect on back pain and pain in the region of ankles. During its practice, all the nerves and muscles of both sides, front and back, get healthy exercise and get invigorated. Besides, if has a special benefits in remedying some of defects that cause dwarfness in boys and girls, and sometimes it skids in giving them normal height. The patients of anemia are advised to practice these asanas little by little but regularly and gradually. Konasana, the angle posture, it helps to cure aches and pains of the back, waist, shoulder, neck, elbow, thighs and legs. It drives away lethargy and tones up the torso. All stiffness in the legs disappears and the abdominal organs are toned up. Surya Namaskar in itself is a complete exercise. There are 12 phases of exercise. In this, asana is an important and simple asana. It can be practiced by everyone irrespective of sex, health and occupation. The 12 kriyas of Surya Namaskar provide exercise for the entire body. All organs become flexible, presentable and strong. The benefits of all asanas are obtained by Surya Namaskar. Constipation is cured and bowels become clean. In women, the uterus becomes strong. It helps to cure leukorrhea and excessive bleeding during the menstruation. It increases mental peace, strength, energy, and vitality of the body. The waist and hips become shapely. It is especially useful in diabetes. Surya Namaskar makes the entire body disease free. Utkat Asan. Utkat Asan, chair posture. Person who practice Utkat Asan do not suffer from hernia or kidney stone. It is very useful for those suffering from stiffness in the shoulder and recurring pain in the knee region. It gives stimulating effects to the chest as the diaphragm is lifted up, which results in good heart functioning. The ankles become strong. The waist is strengthened. It helps to cure backache, sciatica, joint, and other diseases from the joints. Uttan Padhasan. हाँ, उत्तान पद आसन.
पैर उठाना है ना.
Uttan Pada Asan helps to cure constipation and cleanse the bowels. Stomach muscles are strengthened. It reduces fat and flexibleness. It helps to prevent formation of gas in the abdomen. It gives relief to those suffering from hernia, backache, and makes the legs and waist strong and flexible. This is very useful asana for increasing height. सर्वांगासन। माथा और दिलीप जी को बोलिए।
हेलो
सर्वांगासन strengthens the brain, lungs, and heart. It purifies the blood. It increases appetite, digestion, and rids the stomach of gas. It provides relief for disease of the eyes, ears, and throat. It activates rejuvenates the thyroid gland. Therefore, diseases like obesity, acidity, weakness, tiredness, vertigo, piles, hernia, and insufficient increase in height, etc., are taken care of. It strengthens the adrenal gland, testicles, and ovaries. It magically cures menstrual troubles in girls and displacement of uterus, etc.
मेरा चीटी बाबा भाई सिस्टर नेक्स्ट बोलिए क्या है
मत्स्यासन। This asana pushes the gas of the intestines downwards, bowels become clear, and the digestion improves. It is beneficial in disease of the brain, neck, lungs, nose, and ears because it is stretches the neck and chest. There is very beneficial for patients who suffer from respiratory disease. It helps to keep the thyroid and parathyroid gland healthy.
दूसरा हो गया हाँ बोलिए
Shirshasana. Shirshasana is
আমরা বৃক্ষাসনে থাকি
called the king of all asanas. This is very helpful for remaining elite bat for meditation and to be very attractive and energetic. Constant practice improves memory, eyesight, and intelligence. This is effective against wet dreams, diabetes, and disorder of the uterus. It helps to cure paralysis and piles. Done for 10 to 15 minutes regularly, it helps to maintain all around good health. This asana is to paramount importance for the health and vitality of all the parts of the body. All the body systems are strengthened by its practice, or circulatory system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the nervous system, and the excretory system. They become healthy and strong. It is, however, to greatest benefit to the brain as it helps give nourishment to all its cells and tissues by reversing the blood supplies. Premature graying of the hair is stopped by its practice. The skin becomes bright and smooth, and the face becomes radiant.
इसको क्या है?
Finish. इसके बाद प्राणायाम. Now we practice some pranayams because it is the very important part of yogas, and pranayams fight the different diseases and boost the immunity powers. So we start pranayams. Start Bhasrika. It reduces excess fat, tones up digestion, and produce heat in the body. It helps to cure asthma and other respiratory diseases. It tones up the nervous system and the brain.
सर छोड़ेगा नहीं.
Next, Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a very important cleansing process. The nervous system and the brain are cleansed. Excess fat in the stomach is reduced. Phlegm is expelled out of the lungs and they are cleansed. It is very useful in respiratory disease. It cleans, increases concentration, and therefore helps to meditate. This helps to control the sense organs and keeps the mind at rest. It increases the blood circulation. Next, Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom cleanses and tones up the entire nervous system. People suffering from cough and cold benefit greatly from it. Blocked nostrils are cleared. The heart is strengthened. This is the best pranayam. Almost all benefits of pranayam are gained through this. It removes mental tension and worries. It induces a feeling of peace. The nose smells clean. It also helps to cure headache and relieves mental tension. Brahmadi Pranayam. The practice of this pranayam makes the voice pleasant and melodious. The diseases of the throat are cured. and the vocal organs become strong. It increases the power of concentration and one attains peace by its practice.
ये अदा कर रहा है, आपको बोलना होगा तो।
Om Pranam. It gives us mental peace and build up our mental peace.
अभी खुल नहीं खुल रहा है। बिना प्रैक्टिस का ही होता है, सब चल ही रहा है। देखो, हो ही नहीं रहा है। चलेगा।
Okay, today's program is over.